Hey, what's up? This is Chris, and today, very exciting, we are going to unbox the QWERTY Keys QK80 MK2 Limited Edition. And this is pre-built in a very special colorway with a lot of very special things to it. So let's unbox it and see what it's all about. All right. Oh, I can already tell the case is so awesome. All right. Let's get this out. Oh my gosh. All right, and the gadgets. All right, and here's what we have. We have our customary keycap puller. Well, this is the switch puller. Here is the keycap puller. We have the standard screwdriver, hex, and then what we have here is a two-part cable. So this is an aviator style cable. So we have the shiny gold purple on the coil, and then on the straight end we have the bright green. So let's take this out of the bag just to show off the colors. And then it has a really nice silver connector in there. So here is that shiny purple cable, and then this is the rest in this really bright yellow green. Again, silver connector, USB-A on the other side. So this is C to A. So this is the 2.4 gigahertz dongle. So this is a tri-mode, so you can do Bluetooth, 2.4, or wired on this board. An extra ribbon cable of some sort, and an extender for the dongle. All right, and then what we have in here is the magnetic cover for the bottom, the dongle pod. Oh my goodness. All right, here it is. Okay, so for starters, these are JTK HSA keycaps. They are glossy. And then on the double shot green ones, you can see the double shot underneath, which is really cool. So for example, take a look at that backspace key. How cool is that? And the enter key there. And then we have another over here on the escape. So this is nice. And then as you can see, the ring around the screens over here is also in the green. Sounds good. All right, let's look at the bottom here. So on the bottom, we have this beautiful orange color. Let's see if I can get a better... There we go. You can get that beautiful orange color. And then right here is where the dongle goes. And then that badge magnetically fits over top of it. And of course, it is in this way right here. Beautiful. These are some LEDs that shine down. And right there it says working plus gaming. You add those two together and then you multiply that by fun. So really cool. Mark II QWERTY keys. We have the integrated feet right here. Nice. And then right here on the back, we have the USB-C. So exactly. Now, since this is a ball catch system, it looks like it's kind of already wanting to come off, actually. So let's pop that off here. So then you see underneath here, we have the screen connector. That is a pogo pin. All right, and here is our board as well. It says limited right there. This is a leaf spring mount system, so these are the copper. And there we go. There's a better look at the underlying PCB. So right in the middle here, we have the main pogo connector. This is the pogo connector for the screen. I'm not sure what's going on down there. We'll investigate on another video. This is a hot swap tri-mode. No, oh, full of flex cuts. Lots of flex cuts on this one. Every key is flex cut. So there you go. And now we're going to lay that right on. Should just... Okay. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Oh, man. All right, so if you were wondering if the screen connector connected, it did. So there we have it. We've got the red sort of LED matrix. Super cool. It's doing the QK logo. The contrast is bad here. This is the little kitty cat that is pounding on the keys as you type. So let's do a sound test of this. And we'll do another video where we get really in-depth and go into the screens and how to change them and put your own graphics and animations on and things like that. But for now, we'll just leave it on this. I do see RGB coming through the board. Can I turn my lights off? Yeah, but you're still not going to be able to see the screen. But you can see the RGB coming through. So you'll be able to, I'm going to obviously make that like a bright green or a purple, right? So fit with the theme. Let's see what this sounds like. Let's move our mic down. Let's give it a whirl. Nice. All right. So there you have it. Didn't change a thing. So all the foams are still in there. These are the, gosh, I'm not sure exactly what switches this came with. I could probably read a little, but let's pull a keycap off. Are these Azure switches? Okay, I think these are the HMX Azure switches, the ones that are actually on the Evo 80. Double shot of the keys, I'm really loving. It looks really good. So I definitely am loving that. I love the screen, everything about this. So, all right. So I just wanted to get a first sort of view, first thought of the limited edition board out there on a video. Of course, we will, oh man, I should have used this cable to connect it. But we will go more in depth, get some good photography of this, and do some more sound tests, mess with the foam, probably take the foam out, some things like that. So, all right. Thanks for coming along. This was the QK80 Mark II Limited Edition from QWERTY Keys. And man, it is awesome. Very well themed from the case to the cord to the colors. Everything is good. So, all right, you will not regret getting this. You can get it right now on their website. I believe it's available for a limited time, right? So, okay. Thanks for coming along for the ride. It was good seeing everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye.